Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 21st, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. We're going to start off on the monthly time frame, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down analysis. In my eyes, it doesn't really matter even if you are trading like the minute time frames. These higher time frames are extremely important from the main direction. So, anyways, I mean, for me on the high time phase, gold is extremely clear. I mean, it is extremely clear this is a wave one, this is like an expanding wave two, and this is still a wave three. We are definitely still in a wave three trend. And yes, nobody did not disagree that this seems overextended. But overextended to who? We're at the 200% Fibonacci extension of wave one. Potentially, this doesn't have to stop. I've seen wave three trends go to 361% and beyond. There's no reason to say that this has to stop here. It definitely does not have to stop. It could go and go and go. So don't be thinking that just because it's high, it means it needs to go down. So going down to the weekly time frame, first of all, we got that big wave one, big wave two. The wave two ends here. This is the trend for the wave three. So we have the one of three, the two of three, the three of three. Maybe this really is the four of three, and maybe we really are in a wave five of three. Or maybe we're just in the middle of a trend that is not even remotely close to being over. Every single time I make a gold video, I really try to emphasize how important it is that the trend is your friend. Every single higher time frame has been in an uptrend for a long time now, and it does not have to stop. Going down to the daily time frame now. If this is a wave three and this is like a running WXY for the wave four, then this would be like a one, a two, a three. Eventually, we would probably see a wave four, which we don't even have to see yet. It could keep on going up, like I try to emphasize. And then eventually, it probably would make a wave five, and then we would get a break of structure that would prove to me that the trend is over. We do not have that break of structure yet, and there's always a chance that it just keeps on going up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, all week long I've been saying this looks like a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five. It looks like it's gonna go down and break structure. But what happened was it went down to the 78%, made it engulfing up, and now it's back into the uptrend. I don't know how many times I need to emphasize, but I'm definitely not going to stop. Every single video I make, I need to make it clear gold does not have to go down. It could keep on trending. It can definitely keep on making higher highs, higher lows if it wants to. How am I going to know if this wave three trend is over? I'm going to know when it breaks this structure right here. If it goes up and makes a new high, then I'll be able to move my structure up to here. As of right now, there's no reason to say that this is not still in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I have a hard time not recommending anything but longs. I definitely wouldn't really want to try to go long now, but if I see a little one, two, three-way pullback or something like that, even this right here is actually an A, a B, and a C, so that's just a bigger ABC correction. So, anyways, I mean, every single one of these pullbacks that gold has been making over the last several weeks to probably several months has been a three-wave pullback. So, definitely continue to look for those long entries, at least until your higher roadmap time frames give you some kind of an evidence, like a break of structure, or at least a significant lower high, which we definitely do not have any of those things telling us that we're in the clear to start looking for shorts again. We are definitely looking for longs on pullbacks. Wouldn't want to go long right here, maybe right at the top of a wave, but I definitely would want to go long if I saw a pullback. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.